George is one of around 100 solar observers worldwide. Using a telescope equipped with special filters, he observes the sun carefully. Alongside family life, he commits himself to this routine. When his work is done, he takes a final look at the classifications he has made. He then places the completed protocol into a folder. Together, these observers help record solar activity. But alongside George and the other observers on Earth, there is another companion, observing the sun every day, calmly, in the vast depths of space. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory records solar activity continuously. It produces detailed images of the sun on a daily basis. Let's take a closer look at how these images can be used. Using the Solar Spotting app, George can upload images recorded by NASA's satellite. If necessary, the images can be transformed before further processing. The system calculates the heliographic coordinates of the sun and generates image patches containing sunspot regions. By selecting a patch, George can use a trained model to automatically detect and classify sunspot groups. Based on his experience, he can review, adjust, or correct the model's predictions. Once the classification task is complete, the newly labeled data is added to the existing dataset. By selecting Finalize Dataset, a new dataset is generated and prepared for the next convolutional neural network training. Using the newly generated dataset, George can start a new training run by pressing Start Training. Luckily, the developer of the application did a fantastic job by implementing the training as an asynchronous task, allowing George to continue working while the model is being trained. But George decides to take a break and let the model train. Heading towards the living room, he passes by a relic, a reminder of what once was his daily companion.